What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel where we dive into the best opportunities to boost your income and live your best life. Today, we're talking about something seriously underrated: data entry jobs that pay between $14 and $20 per hour. And yes, you heard that right. Whether you're tired of your 9 to 5 grind, looking for a side hustle, or just want to walk in your PJs, and let's be honest, who doesn't want? This might be the right gig for you. Stick around, my lovelies, because I'm breaking down what data entry is, why it's not as boring as it sounds, and 3, how you can start earning from the comfort of your couch. Now I know what you're thinking. Sitting in office all day in front of computer and all of that. But wait, let me give you reasons that can change your mind. Number 1, the pay. At up to $20 per hour, data entry isn't just some random gig. That's real money, especially if you're looking to supplement your income or save up something big. Number 2 reasons: flexibility. Most of these jobs let you set your own hours. If you're a morning person or night owl, it doesn't matter. You get to decide when you work. And number 3 of it all, walk your way. You can do this from your home, at a coffee shop, or even while watching your favorite Netflix series. As long as you meet deadlines and keep your work accurate, the world is yours. And right now, I'm going to be showing you websites where you can land yourself some of these jobs. Come with me. My lovelies, this right here, it's data entry jobs that you could do from the comfort of your home. As you can see, I just pull up one of this. This is insurance billing order entry specialist time. All right. It's all about data entry. Do not get scared with the heading or the title. All right. This is telling you that all you want to do is help them impute information into their system, and that is data entry. And it shows here remote. All right, this right here is just one of thousands of them. So when you click on the link that I'm gonna be leaving on the description and you get to this page, feel free to explore this page in order for you to get something that suits your personality and your availability. Okay, and they have global, you can do a lot. Just feel free to explore them. All right, this right here pay $16 to $20. All right, and shift and schedule weekend as needed, evening as needed. Work setting is remote. So if you are someone who needs evening work or weekends to supplement what you already have, this might be the gig for you. All right, and the benefit here shows 401k, community assistant, dental, health, referable, the program, and vision insurance. And the full job description, it says the insurance billing order entry specialist maintains a database by entering new and updated patient insurance information. That's what we're talking about. Entering information into company's database. All right. and you want to come down to the job responsibilities. You're responsible for verifying patients' insurance coverage. You're responsible for entering the data in an accurate manner, and all of that. Prepare source data for computer entry by compiling and sorting information, establishing entry priority. These are your job responsibilities, and you are also responsible to do other duties as assigned by management. All right, your qualification, it's high school diploma or GED. Who wouldn't qualify for this? High school, it's high school. They're not asking for college degree. All right, and required knowledge and skills and abilities, proficient in alphanumeric data entry, just for you to be able to put in this, proficient in Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, Outlook, and Google application. When you see application, don't get scared. It's just the normal way we Google stuff. Okay, ability to work in a fast-paced, deadline-driven environment, and ability to define problems, collect data, validate data, and all of. Don't forget, they're going to show you what you're going to do when you want to start. There will be a training. If I'm hiring you, I'm showing you what to do for me, all right? In order for me to set expectation for you, I will train you. That's what this company is going to do for you. The pay range for this role is from $16.43 to $20.54 per hour. You see that? So guys, feel free to explore this, and also to the left, explore as much as you want. If you don't want the remote here, you can change it to hybrid. If you're someone who want to be doing a little bit at home and a little bit in the office, you can change it. But feel free to explore this website when you click on the link and you get to this page. So there you have it, my lovelies. Data entry might just be your way to a better work-life balance and a bigger wallet. So why not explore it? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop beautiful comments below. Have you tried data entry jobs before? Share your stories. Until next time, keep hustling and stay winning.